Hey bitch, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm creating this look right here. I decided to do this look because it was something different, and honestly I just came up with it as I went, and I'm just really happy with how it came out and stuff. I'm in love with it. I'm also back on my shit bitch, so you're gonna see me more often. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna begin using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C3. It's like a really white concealer, but I usually like to go with lighter concealers so the colors come out more pigmented. And I'm just gonna pack a bunch of this on, like a shit ton. So next, I'm going to go in with the Vivid Pigments palette by Colored Rain. It's a really pigmented palette. I love using this, especially with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I feel like it just blends out so nicely. Okay, and so I'm going to go in with this purple right here. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing the Anastasia A25 brush. I love this brush for outer corner shadows. It just works so good, and it's like, it's not big, but it's also not small, and I just feel like it really gets in the areas. You're gonna pack in one area and then blend softly, pack and then blend softly into the shape that you would like to go. Okay, so you're gonna go in circular motions, and you're gonna, as you go out, you're gonna get softer with your strokes just so the color gets lighter, because we're only using one color, and you see how that transition just faded. Because I was going in with a lighter hand as I went outwards, if that makes sense. So I was just literally packing a shit ton of color on, and then I went less and less, and then I would just like dust off the brush, and then that's how the edges were, the lighter edges were created. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm trying my best to explain it. But yeah, so I'm really happy with how this is coming out, although like the concealer kind of acted a little funny, and that happened, but we'll fix it. It'll just be a minute. So I'm gonna go back in with the same palette. I'm gonna be using this blue right here. It's such a pretty blue. I'm excited to use it. Okay, but first I'm gonna just pack it on a little bit right here on the lid, because that was my mistake. I should have packed on this color first and I didn't. But I'm just gonna pack on the color first, and then I'll blend it up. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M507 next, and I'm just gonna start blending it out just so it looks really nice and faded into the purple. Okay, so right now I'm just going back in with the purple just to blend out the blue. Like, it's starting to fade in really nicely, but I just need to add more pigments. Oh my gosh, my back, it hurts. Okay, so the color that I'm gonna be using next is this yellow right here. I'm gonna try to like place it really like all over the place in the inner corner, just so it looks really like, I don't know, super blended and all that. I feel like it'll be just a really nice effect. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna be grabbing the Anastasia A23 brush. I'm gonna use that Morphe M62 brush. It's a really small blending brush. It's one of my favorites. I love it because you can use it for anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend the blue and the yellow together. So I'm just gonna pack each color on and like blend it in soft motions until everything comes together, which I think it finally did. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go back in with each color just to make the whole thing more pigmented and more blended out. I feel like more pigment, then if there's more pigment, then you can blend it out a lot better. Okay, so for the exciting part, I'm so excited. Everything just looks nicely blended and it's just so fucking beautiful. I love it. Like, seriously, wow. Wow, look at me go, bitch. Wow, I'm so I'm just in shock because this shit looks amazing. Okay, anyways, okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Magic palette. I honestly love this palette. Every shimmer in here is just so fucking pigmented. And I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here. It's like a purple blue holographic shade. It's so pretty. And then I'm gonna be grabbing a flat brush and then I'm just gonna be applying it to like the lower lid just to cover the purple areas and stuff, and it's just gonna look super pretty and I'm really excited. So I finished putting on the shimmer and right now I'm just gonna blend it out, which I'm really scared for because I'm not sure if it's gonna look good. I really hope it looks good. And I'm just gonna be grabbing the same brush, the Morphe M562, but a clean one, and I'm just gonna, hopefully it looks really nicely blended, who knows. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with the purple and just blend it out a little bit more. Bitch, I just took a picture with my phone and honestly it looks amazingly, it just looks so fucking cool, bitch. I'm freaking out. Like, I'm freaking out about how amazing it looks. Like, wow, did I really have this blend in me? Like, bitch, I'm freaking out. Holy shit. Okay, anyways, before I get more excited, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm just gonna add the liner for lashes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with under eyeshadow.
And we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga no such thing as the life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Like that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with mascara and I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. Bitch, I can't even talk. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I like to use this as my waterline eyeliner. I feel like it works super good for that. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna be using the Tati lashes in the number TL5. I love these lashes. Okay, so I finished putting on my eyelashes and bitch, just look at her. She's fucking beautiful. Like, I'm so proud. It looks so nice in person. I feel like it looks so nice. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it just looks so beautiful. I love it so much. This is like probably the best I've done. I'm in love. I'm in so much love. Like, I love this so much. Okay, so my eyes are now finished. I'm completely in love with how the eyes came out. Like, I'm super proud of myself. Like, damn, I really didn't know I had this in me. It's something completely out of my comfort zone, and it was just, I don't know, I fucking love it. It's just so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX blurring primer. This is my favorite primer ever. Okay, so the next primer that I'm gonna be going in with is a Luminizer primer by Dr. Brandt. I love how glowy this makes my skin look. So I just literally put this all over like my face area, not really my T-zone, just a little bit. I'm gonna be using two foundations. The first foundation is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation. It's one of my favorites for sure. And then the next foundation is a CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I love this stuff. I feel like it makes my skin look like actual skin, I guess that's how you would say it, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it up with my beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. I'm going to be using this to highlight and conceal my under eyes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C3. It's just a little bit lighter because I feel like this one is not light enough.
But I take these pills till I can't feel shit. If I trust more bad, that you catch me dead. If I told my sin, you tell your friends the way you talk, the way you rinse, the way you love.
And I'm going to be using the Pure Cosmetics Cameo Contour. This is literally all I use for contour because it just blends out so nicely. It's just so nice. I love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with setting powder, and I'm gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar setting powder from my BoxyCharm. To set the concealer, I'm gonna be using a little sponge from Forever 21. These were like $2, and I don't like using like wet sponges because I feel like it just clumps up the setting powder, and I don't like that. So I feel like this has pretty good precision.
Yeah, she too deep in the flash. Drinking and thinking gon' lead to a bad decision. Deja vu, I've been through it with you multiple times on many occasions.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my contour. Just grabbing like a little brush, like I don't know what this brush is. Okay, so while my contour is baking, I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love.
You a halo, I pulled a fool in a fake hood, diamond like Skittles, chasing a rainbow. Rolling to the morning, I'll pour into the morning. All Chevy on a 30, motherfucker, foreign, disappointed.
Okay, so I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Face powder. It's meant for your powder or whatever, but I use it for bronzer just because I like it a lot. I like the color on me. I look bomb as fuck, bitch. I'm just so excited with how this look is coming out. Like I'm loving the whole thing, the whole vibe to it. It's just bomb. I'm in love. I need to calm the fuck down. Like, I'm just into myself way too much. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna be going in with highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. This is honestly my fucking favorite of all time. I love this shit. It's literally my best friend. But before I do, I'm gonna spray my face with MAC Fix Plus, and this is just gonna help like the powder set a little more. I'm going to be using the Cover FX glitter drops. I feel like this just brings out your highlighter so much more. you see that shit, bitch? Holy shit. Seriously, wow. Damn. I can't even breathe because that highlighter literally took my breath away. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This shit is so bomb. I love it, and the way it smells, it's just, I fucking love it. Okay, so this is a finished look right here. I'm completely in love with how it came out, and I'm so happy. Literally, this whole look makes me so happy. I'm so proud of it, and it just makes me happy. But anyways, yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Let me know what color combos I should try, color combos that you wouldn't even think of. Please let me know down below. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm trying to get with it, the size of my dick and the rocks, and I'm thinking